Have you ever wondered if it's possible to increase penile length naturally, without surgery, without dangerous pills, and without scams? Today we're going to talk about 3 science-backed, natural methods that can help improve length, and more importantly, improve confidence, health, and performance. But before we start, I need to make something very clear. There is no magic trick that guarantees growth overnight, and any method that promises instant results is most likely a scam. However, there are real, natural ways to support your body and improve your results over time. And the methods we'll discuss today are safe, realistic, and medically supported. Also, we're going to focus on real health, not unrealistic expectations, because your body is not a product. It's a system that needs proper care. So if you want a serious, science-based explanation from a urologist's perspective, stay with me. By the end of this video, you'll know what works, what doesn't, and what is actually safe. Before we discuss the natural methods, we need to clear the air on a few common myths. Because if you believe the wrong information, you might waste time, money, and even harm your body. Myth 1. Pills and supplements can permanently increase size. Many products claim to enlarge the penis, but the truth is, most of these pills are not supported by science. Some may improve blood flow temporarily, but they don't change the structure of the penis. If you're buying pills that promise growth, you're probably wasting money. Myth number 2. Stretching by pulling is safe. Some people believe that stretching or manual traction can permanently increase length. But if done incorrectly, it can cause serious damage, including tissue injury, scarring, and loss of sensation. 350. When done correctly, the results are usually small and take a long time. Myth number 3. You can change size permanently in a few weeks. The claim of huge growth in just a few weeks is unrealistic. The body does not work that way. Real improvement takes time, consistency, and healthy habits. Myth number 4. Everyone has the same normal size. Many people feel insecure because they compare themselves to unrealistic standards. But normal varies widely. Most men fall within a healthy range, and size alone does not determine sexual satisfaction. Now that we've cleared these myths, we can focus on real methods that are safe and supported by science. To understand how to improve length naturally, we must first understand how determined is influenced by 2 major factors: genetics, blood flow, and tissue health. 1. Genetics. Your genes determine the basic size and structure. This means there is a limit to how much you can change naturally. But even within your genetic limit, you can still improve function and appearance through health and habits. 2. Blood flow and tissue health. The spongy tissue that fills with blood during an erection. If blood flow is strong and tissues are healthy, you can achieve better fullness and a slightly longer appearance. So the goal of natural methods is not to change genetics, but to optimize blood flow, reduce restrictions, and improve tissue health. The role of testosterone. Testosterone plays a role in sexual health, libido, and overall energy. Low testosterone can reduce sexual performance and reduce the quality of erections. However, testosterone alone does not magically increase size, but it can support better function. The role of body fat. Body fat around the lower belly can heighten, making it appear shorter. This is called buried. So weight loss and reducing belly fat can reveal more length without changing the actual structure. How growth works. Real growth occurs when tissue is stretched safely over time and blood flow is increased. This triggers the body to adapt. But the key word is safely. Unsafe methods cause damage, scarring, and long-term problems. So now you understand the science. You cannot change genetics, but you can improve blood flow, tissue health, and appearance. Method 1 is exercises. These are not magic stretches. They're controlled movements that can improve blood flow and tissue health over time. Important warning. Before we start, I must say this clearly. Do not overstretch. Do not cause pain. Do not force it. If you feel pain or numbness, stop immediately. Exercise number 1, Kegels. Kegels strengthen the pelvic floor muscles. These muscles help with erection quality and control. How to do Kegels. Tighten the muscles you use to stop urine flow. Hold for 3 seconds. Release for 3 seconds. Repeat 10 times. Do 2 to 3 sets per day. Why Kegels help? Kegels do not directly increase length, but they improve erection firmness. When an erection is stronger, the slightly longer. Exercise number 2, jelqing with caution. Jelqing is a controversial exercise. Some people claim it can increase size, but it must be done safely. Safe jelqing guidelines. Only do light pressure. Use lubricant. Stop if there is pain or redness. Only 5 to 10 minutes, 2 to 3 times per week. How jelqing works. The idea is to increase blood flow and gently stretch the tissue. But if done too hard, it can cause scarring and damage. Exercise number 3, stretching, safe and controlled. Stretching can be safe if done correctly. Safe stretching steps. Warm up with a warm towel. Hold the stretch forward slowly for 10 to 15 seconds. Relax. Repeat 5 times. Do 2 to 3 times per week. Why stretching helps. Safe stretching can help with flexibility and tissue health. Over time, this may improve length slightly. Common mistakes. Many people make these mistakes. Overstretching, doing it too often, using too much pressure, ignoring pain. Any of these can cause damage and reduce results. Recommended routine. Here is a safe routine you can follow. Kegels, 2 to 3 sets daily. Stretching, 2 to 3 times per week. Jelqing, optional, light pressure, 2 to 3 times per week. When to stop. If you experience pain, numbness, bruising, curvature, stop immediately and consult a doctor. Exercises can help, but only when done safely and consistently. They are not a quick fix, but they can improve blood flow, erection quality, and possibly length over time. Method 2 is one of the most effective and natural ways to increase apparent penile length. Weight loss and posture improvement. Many men are surprised to learn that a lot of their length is hidden under body fat. The buried penis effect. When you gain weight, fat accumulates around the pubic area. This can cause the penis to look shorter because part of it is hidden under the fat pad. This is called the buried. How much difference can weight loss make? Losing even a small amount of weight can reveal more length. For some men, losing 10 to 20 pounds can reveal 1 to 2 inches of hidden length. How to lose weight safely. Weight loss must be done safely. The best way is through a combination of healthy diet, regular exercise, consistent sleep, hydration, diet tips that work. Here are simple diet tips that actually work. Reduce sugar and processed foods. Eat more protein and fiber. Drink water. Eat smaller portions. Exercise tips that work. Exercise is important because it improves blood flow and reduces fat. Try 30 minutes of walking daily. 3 to 4 days of strength training per week. High-intensity interval training, HIIT, if you can handle it. Posture and core strength. Posture also affects appearance. If you have poor posture, your body looks shorter and your lower belly protrudes. Improving posture and core strength can make the penis look longer. Simple posture tips. Here are posture tips that help. Stand straight with shoulders back. Tighten core muscles. Avoid slouching. Stretch hip flexors and lower back. Why this method works? This method works because it reduces the fat pad and improves the body's overall shape. It does not change genetics, but it reveals what's already there. Weight loss and posture can reveal hidden length and improve confidence. This is one of the safest and most effective natural methods. Method 3 focuses on hormone support and lifestyle changes that improve blood flow, energy, and sexual health. While hormones won't change your genetics, they can influence the quality of erections, which affects appearance. Testosterone and sexual health. Testosterone is the main male hormone responsible for libido, energy, and sexual function. When testosterone is low, men may experience low energy, low libido, weak erections, reduced confidence, Natural ways to support testosterone. Here are natural ways to support healthy testosterone levels. Sleep, exercise, nutrition, stress control. Sleep, most important. Sleep is one of the most powerful factors for hormones. Most men need 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep. If you sleep less, your testosterone drops. Exercise. Exercise boosts testosterone and improves blood flow. Strength training is especially effective, like squats, deadlifts, push-ups, pull-ups. Nutrition. Nutrition affects hormone balance. Eat protein, healthy fats, vegetables, free, whole grains. Avoid excessive sugar, alcohol, and processed foods. Stress control. Chronic stress increases cortisol, a hormone that can lower testosterone. Use stress reduction methods such as meditation, deep breathing, walking, hobbies, blood flow support. Improving blood flow is crucial for stronger erections. Simple tips: avoid smoking, limit alcohol, stay hydrated, exercise regularly. The role of circulation. Good circulation helps the properly during erection. When blood flow is improved, you can achieve better fullness and appear longer. Supplements, if necessary. Some supplements can support health, but they are not magic. If you choose supplements, use only safe, medically approved options like zinc, vitamin D, omega, 3-inch. Always consult a doctor before taking supplements. What to avoid? Avoid any product that promises instant growth or contains unknown ingredients. Many of these products are scams and can harm your health. Conclusion of Section 6. Supporting hormones and lifestyle is a natural and safe way to improve erections and confidence. This method works best when combined with the other two methods. Before you try any natural method, we need to talk about safety. Your sexual health is delicate, and doing the wrong thing can cause permanent damage. Pain is not progress. Pain is never a sign of progress. If any exercise or method causes pain, numbness, or bruising, stop immediately. Growth does not come from injury. It comes from healthy adaptation. Warning signs you must not ignore. Stop immediately and seek medical advice if you notice persistent pain, numbness or tingling, bruising or swelling, changes in shape or curvature, difficulty getting or maintaining an erection. These are red flags. Overdoing exercises. More is not better. Doing exercises too often or with too much force increases the risk of scarring and nerve damage. Consistency and moderation are key. Avoid online challenges. Avoid dangerous online challenges that promise extreme results. Many of these trends are not backed by science and can cause irreversible harm. Devices and tools warning. Be careful with devices like pumps and extenders. Some are medically approved, but many are poorly made and unsafe. Never use a device without proper medical guidance. Your goal should be health first, not risk. If something feels wrong, it probably is. Now let's talk about what you should never do when trying to improve. This section may save you from serious and permanent damage. Never use unverified pills or injections. Never use pills, oils, creams, or injections bought online that promise fast growth. Many of these products contain unknown substances that can cause infections, tissue damage, hormone imbalance, permanent érectile problème. Never inject substances. Injecting substances like oils, gels, or fillers without medical supervision is extremely dangerous. This can lead to severe infection, scarring, deformity, emergency surgery. Urologists see these cases more often than people realize. Never force stretching. Forcing stretching or using extreme pressure does not cause growth. It causes micro tears, scarring, and loss of elasticity. Scar tissue reduces blood flow and can permanently reduce function. Never copy social media hacks. Many viral videos and posts exaggerate results or hide the risks. What works for one person or appears to work may be harmful to another. Never compare yourself to unrealistic standards. Comparing yourself to edited images, adult content, or unrealistic examples can damage confidence and mental health. Most of those images are not natural or typical. The fastest way to lose results is to chase shortcuts. Health, patience, and safety always come first. Natural methods can help many men, but there are situations where professional medical advice is necessary. Seeing a urologist is not a weakness. It is a smart health decision. When you should see a doctor, you should consult a urologist if you experience ongoing erectile difficulties, pain or discomfort, sudden changes in size or shape, hormonal symptoms like low energy or low libido, anxiety or distress about sexual health. These signs should never be ignored. Medical evaluation. A urologist can evaluate hormone levels, blood flow, nerve function, overall genital health. This helps identify underlying issues that natural methods alone cannot fix. Professional treatment options. In some cases, medical treatments may be recommended. These can include hormone therapy when clinically needed, medically supervised devices, treatment for circulation or metabolic conditions. All treatments are based on individual needs. Mental and emotional health. Sometimes the issue is not physical, it's psychological. Performance anxiety, stress, or body image concerns can affect sexual health. A professional can help address these factors safely. Professional guidance ensures safety, realistic expectations, and long-term health. Never hesitate to seek medical advice when something feels wrong.